Let's create this bird flying away. So you go to your Google Play Store and you download this app called Draw Cartoons 2 an app, and you click on this first tool, which is new cartoon. So I'm going to be using inserting a background. So I'll click on this hamburger icon, then background. So I click on add. So you can draw your background. If you're good in drawing, just draw your background. You can also bring in an image. Maybe you've downloaded an image that you want to use. You can just select photo. You can equally add a colored background. So just select color and you select apply. So I'm going to be using one of the image here. So let's see. Let's set this one. So set this one. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, so I'll be using this particular one. So you just adjust it, then you just go back to save. So I'll go to insert, then farm, and I'm going to put add a raven. So you can just add anything you want to add. So I'm going to add a raven, and I'm going to bring the raven here. So at the other side of your screen, you see the up arrow and the down arrow. So I'll just click on the down arrow 7 times because that's how many times I want to move the raven. So I'll just click on it 7 times, and I'll go back to the first one. So for the first one, the raven brings out its wings, ready to fly. Then for the second one, you can see where the first one stopped, so you will just move it. So I'm not going to bring out the wings in this one because you know it has to like bring the wing out then bring it down. So this part is the part where it brings it down. You should get points. So for the third one, I'll move it again and I'll bring out the wings this time around. For the fourth one, I will not bring out the wings. For the fifth one, I'll bring out the wings. So for the sixth one, I would not bring out the wings. And for the seventh one, I'll just bring out the wings and fly away. So once you're done, you just go to export and you save it as video. That's all. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.